All right, so let's solve a problem which happened in JEE Main 2019. In this question, we have been given an expression and we are supposed to find the value of this expression. So the first thing is to observe this expression. What you see here is that this angle is pi upon 2 square, pi upon 2 cube, and pi upon 2 raised to the power 10. And these are all cos values. And the last one is sine. So if you look at this, then you see that there is more like this pattern, which is sine A into cos A, right? And only if you multiply it by 2, then this will become sine 2A. So what will be the benefit of that? Like the next one in this sequence will be basically that cos 2A itself. And then you can keep on going backward and then finally you will come to here and then you will be able to find this um, value. Okay, so let's start from the end here and then we'll focus on these two, as I said. So this is cos of pi upon 2 raised to the power 10 into sine of pi 2 raised to the power 10. And if I multiply it by 2 and divide it by 2, then what will happen? This will become sine 2a. This is 2 sine a cos a. So this is sine 2a, meaning that this will become sine pi upon 2 raised to the power 10 into 2. This is the angle and this is 1 by 2 here. So this value will become sine pi upon 2 raised to the power 9. And this is 1 by 2, right? And so, but before that, there is again another cos, which is still cos of pi upon 2 raised to the power 9. So again, just to solve this expression, what I'll do will multiply by 2 and then divide by 2, right? So we'll multiply it by 2 and divide it by 2. So now this will become again sine pi upon 2 raised to the power 9 into 2. And here we will have 2 square. So this expression is sine pi upon 2 raised to the power 8. And in this way, we will keep on going. Okay. But when we don't want to write everything, we just want to observe the pattern. So what is happening here is that what you see here is that when this expression is becoming sine pi upon 2 raised to the power 9, then we have multiplied by 1 by 2. So this 2 raised to the power 9 and 1 is becoming 2 raised to the power 10. And the second one, this is 2 raised to the power 8 and this is 2 square is becoming 2 raised to the power 10. So if we keep moving in this sequence, so when we are coming to here, cos pi upon 2 square, and then this will be something like sine pi upon 2 square, then what I should be having is 1 upon 2 raised to the power 8, so that this and this will become 2 raised to the power 10. Now again, we will try to solve this last bit by multiplying it by 2 and dividing it by 2. When I do this, this expression will become sine pi upon 2 square into 2, and this will be 1 upon 2 raised to the power 9. Now this expression will become sine pi by 2, and this is into 1 upon 2 raised to the power 9. So this will become 1, and 2 raised to the power 9 is 512. So 1 upon 512 will be your answer. All right. So in this question, only thing was to observe this last bit, and then we had to go backward like this and then reach here. And then finally, we'd be able to find this value. So yeah, that's all for this question. If you got any queries, do ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.